Alright guys, so ayan nakikita nyo, napakagandang mountain. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Mount John Observatory.
Windows down, scattered clouds, smell of spring outside. Open road, you sitting close.
This is the famous lake, Campo.
As if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine. I'll be just fine.
White horse here. Kain muna kami. Oh, ganda nakita mo yung Snow Mountain dito.
While the sun it slowly fades, days are full and I spend them with you. So let's go somewhere far away, 'cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine.
Doon tayo sa doon tayo sa baba. Alright, so kakatapos lang namin ng Leka po at punta naman kami ng observatory. Maganda rin mas makinis yung snow. Alright, welcome to Mount Cook. Oh yeah, grabe, solid. Oh, yan, may restaurant doon. Look at the view and the I see. Yellow siya guys. So medyo maulan lang, pero worth it pa rin. Ang ganda ng lugar. Thank you Lord. Kahit umuulan, nakarating kami dito. Arlon! Sumuko ka na! Paligiran ka na namin! Alright, grabe Yan na. Sumuko ka na! Si Marlon, no?
Kumain ng
galing kami doon kanina. So yeah. Grabe, ganda oh. And then we will try to get closer to the trail para konti lang nalakaran naman kasi it's raining. But hindi naman malakas, carry naman. And we'll see what we can do. Right now, let's enjoy the beautiful view. Woo! Grabe, ganda. What can you say, Ayaka?
Hey, can we stop there?
What can you say?
Look lang.
Oh,
Stunning.
yeah.
Not allowed. What?
Ang alin. White horse here.
Yung ulan dito hindi masyadong malakas eh.
Yep, yun nga. Nandito kami ngayon sa aming car. So, it's lunchtime first bago explore. So, yan. Kain muna kami. Yeah. Right, that's it guys.
It's frozen.
Frozen na yung aming...
Oo po, nagsebo na nga oh.
Alright, so unfortunately hindi kami makakababa and makakapunta dun sa may first bridge swing because of the weather condition. It's raining and what we will do is we will take a quick photos at the road and yeah, so that we have memories here in Mount Cook. Oh yeah, so mabawi tayo guys. Next time babalikan natin to. Okay. Ganda pa naman, no? Oh, ganda oh.
Let's try tomorrow.
Alright. Hello, grabe oh. So galing kami doon. Ayan, failed yung walk sana natin sa First Swing Bridge. Pero ito yung alternate ng ating adventure dito sa may Mount Cook, you know. So, ito yung ice. Yan, no? Grabe, oh. Tapos, pwede na rin dito. Ganda, oh. Kitang-kita mo yung snow mountains dito sa Mount Cook. Grabe, solid. Yun, thank you Lord, no? O, diba?
One hour later.
Alright guys, so ayan oh, nakikita nyo napakagandang mountain. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Mount John Observatory. Galing tayo ng Mount Cook kanina, maulan pero eto timing medyo umaraw ng konti pero ngayon papagin ha. So ayan, doon tayo galing kay Lake Tekapo. Doon tayo kanina sa baba. Tapos ito yung place kung saan pwede kayong stargazing Milky Way pag gabi.
Nice.
Yan, dyan sa part na yan. So sobrang ganda dyan. For the meantime, ito yung pinaka last stop natin dito sa ating adventure dito sa Lake Tekapo, South Island, Christchurch. So nakikita nyo, ito yung snow. Pakita ko sa inyo, oh. Oh, grabe. Pinong-pino. Pinong-pino. Pinong-pino siya, oh. Ayaw mag ano. Ayan, oh. Oh, di ba? Ito yung ice. Oh, di ba? Pakita ko sa inyo, nakakain po siya.
Hayop na mukha yan.
Oh yeah. To God be the glory. Alright. Ito tayo dito sa taas. Okay. So may bayad pala yung pag dito $8.
Back home to me, where rivers are running free, through valleys as far as the eye can
Doon tayo nakapark, no?
see. I'll be waiting on you till you're in my arms, a place that you can call your home. Come back home to me.
Alright. So ito yung side ng Observatory, close siya. So we cannot enter. So what we can do is enjoy the beautiful scenic view of the snow mountains. Grabe.
Still this so place, memories I won't let ever fade. Come back home to me.
Alright, so ayun. Dito nagtatapos ang ating munting adventure exploring South Island, Lake Tekapo, Mount Cook na epic fail pero okay lang. And ito yung Mount John Observatory. Sobrang solid. Ganda oh. Asig yung creation ni Lord oh. O diba? Sa view pa lang, sobrang panalo na. Dito tayo sa may taas ng bundok. At ngayon, pauwi na tayo. Ayan. Mga 3 to 4 hours yung biyahe natin pabalik ng Christchurch. Yan o, to God be the glory. Oh yeah.